I mean, oh man, more dogs dropped off. Are you kidding me? They're puppies too. Puppies. Oh, Jesus Christ. Alright, I'm going to shut you guys off. Where were we at? I don't even remember. I'm going to see if these puppies are decent. Alright guys, I'll be back. Hey guys. Did you get dropped off? Did you? Come here. Come here, little puppers. You guys are little puppers. Oh, you're so scared. Yeah. I know. You guys are scared. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Shit. Alright guys, puppies are safe. Owner came home. They had followed him down his little super long driveway and were in the middle of the road, and I told him he needs to keep them off the road, obviously, because that's why I was there. He was actually kind of a dickhead when he first pulled in, because I had gone up in their driveway a little bit, and then to the no trespassing sign, and then stopped. Anyway, like I said, he was kind of a dickhead at first, until he saw his dog, one of his dogs was with me, and I asked him about his dogs, and then he turned into a nice guy, and he was like, man, I appreciate you keeping them off the road, blah, 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 blah. So anyway, puppies are safe.